I believe that there are three sets of skills important for them to be successful as leaders. First one is professional skills, the knowledge they are acquiring in the classroom through the coursework they are taking, such as knowledge of management, managing people, marketing, accounting, finance, strategy management. All these are important. And secondly, the soft skills will be equally important. The soft skills may include communication skills, language skills, interpersonal skills, how you communicate with others, even your professional grooming, how you present yourself will be important. The third set of skills will be acquired through professional knowledge and experience. I think gaining some hands-on experience in business is equally important. So I think that the three sets of skills, professional, soft skills, and hands-on experience are equally important. But most important, the core of this, I think the future leaders must have strong ethical principles and moral principles. I think they should be the center core of the value. I think those are important.